Welcome back. This is the rear valance, which is going on the back of the car. I've added a bit of shape to a piece of flat metal by wheeling it. You can see there's some wheeling marks there, and I've just snipped the edges so that I can roll it up easily around each corner. That's welded in place. So I've put a few tacks along the bottom edge here. Just going to start rolling this up and welding it round to link it up to the rear quarter. That is the rear valance. A little bit messy around the edges. Just sort of here and here, so I need to tidy those up. With the round end.
Okay.
Stop. I'm just trying to raise this section of the roof up a bit higher. So I've been hammering there. Maddie's hammering today. Do a bit more just there.
Where?
Just there.
There.
Round in. That's it. That is about it. Let's go and get some lunch.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Next is a bit of sanding with a flap wheel. Try and smooth off some of the welds. That's after a quick sand. So this is another day on. Spoiler's sort of sanded quite well. Started to work on the back. Need to draw out these arches a bit more here at the back edge of the tyre or the wheel, and done a bit more sanding on joints and started to tap them to get them flat, to weld bonnet scoop on or bonnet bulge. That is about it.